The International Boxing Association dismissed an unknown number of referees and judges after some highly controversial decisions during the Rio Games. After conducting a review of the boxing competition, the governing body announced in a statement Wednesday that, quote, less than a handful of the decisions were not at the level expected. The fights have been heavily scrutinized. Retired boxer Floyd Mayweather commented on American Gary Russell's loss, saying that he had, quote, clearly been robbed. Irish boxer Michael Conlan topped it all off with an expletive-filled rant against the AIBA after his controversial loss on Tuesday.